In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix api-ms-win-crt-runtime-l1-1-0.dll error. So first step is you have to type here and you have to type download. So now you have to click on the first link, which is www.dllfiles.com. Now in here you have to download two files. As you can see, written if you have 64-bit Windows system, install both 32-bit and 64-bit. So I will show you how to download and paste the file. So you have to download the first file, which is 64-bit. Now the file is being downloaded, so we click on show in folder. Now to click on it, the 64-bit file, and now we have to click on extract to and OK. So this was the first step. Now I will show where to put this file. So click on the file and click on copy the DLL file, and you have to go on this PC and click on DirectX C. Now to go to Windows, and now you have to find syswow64. So I'm finding the syswow. So there it is, syswow64. So to paste the file in here, click on paste, click on continue. So this was the first step. Now again you have to download the 34-bit file. So here it is, the 34-bit file. So click on download. Now again you have to repeat this step. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. So click on show in folder. You have to click on extract to. Click on OK. So now click on OK. Now we have to paste this file in the syswow32. So click on copy, and I have to go on load C. Sorry, so load this C. Click on Windows. Now to paste the file in system32. So here it is, system32. Paste the file in here. Click on continue. So these were all the steps to fix error. So if you like my video, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.